So now, what we are going to discuss today is what you need to do, what you need to have in mind, or what you need to prepare in order to do Forex business. So to begin with, what is Forex? For those who are new, what is Forex? So Forex is, in short term, is foreign exchange. It is where countries or businesses, they exchange from one currency to another. Forex trading simply means buying and selling where you make a profit. So it is a business where you make profit by buying, you make profit also by selling. So it is a good business, and it is the largest business in the entire world, where about $6.6 trillion are being traded on a daily basis. So there are two types of Forex trading. There's what we call physical trading or offline trading. There's also what we call online trading. So the online trading, this is where you trade online. You just need your laptop, your phone in order to trade. This is what we call online trading. This is what we'll be focusing much more. Now, when it comes to physical trading or offline trading, this is where you can make a transaction. You want to buy anything on Amazon, you want to buy anything on Alibaba, you want to pay for your Netflix so that you begin to watch those movies of yours. Once you buy, what it means, you have participated into Forex. Okay, you pay or you buy a product using Visa card, but the banks, they will do the transaction for you. They will do an exchange for you. You pay in kwacha, they will send those owners in the form of dollars. So what has happened is Forex trading. You want to send money through Western Union, you send in kwacha, you are sending someone in South Africa, you are sending someone in Nigeria, you are sending someone. The Western Union, they will do the transfer for you. The person there will receive in form of kwacha or in form of the currency from that particular country. What has happened there, it is Forex. So that person, if the person receives in dollar, if you send in dollar, the person who receives from that end, they will calculate the dollar rate in their end. What has happened, it is Forex. So if the dollar rate is high, the person will even make more profit. What else? An example of physical Forex or physical trading, we have companies, different kind of companies. An example, ShopLite. ShopLite, it is from South Africa, but we have ShopLite in Zambia, we have ShopLite in other countries. When you are buying anything in ShopLite, you not be buying in currency because the company is in Zambia. So the money that you'll be buying, the money that you'll be giving those any product that you buy in ShopLite, it is in kwacha. Now the owner of ShopLite, what they will do at the end of the month, they will correct all the kwachas. They will make profit by those goods that you are buying. Again, they will also make double profit when they will correct those kwachas. They will go to the bank and they will exchange kwachas. It could be in form of dollars or in their currency. So what they have done also, that is Forex trading. That is offline trading. Okay, tourists, they are also involved in trading. All those who are learning businesses. No wonder every day you see banks, they will give the dollar rates. Dollar, it is selling at this much, is buy. That is what we call physical trading. So that is all about. That is the two types of Forex trading for those who might be new. So Forex, it is not gambling, it is not sport betting, it is real business. It is not where you start guessing, is it Manchester or Chelsea is going to win? This is real business, and it is the biggest business in the entire world. Whether you like it or not, in one way or another, you also participate in Forex trading. So if it is making sense what I've said, can I have some 222 in the chat box? If what I've said it is making sense, can I have some 222 in the chat box? Some 222 in the chat box, some 222 in the chat box, some 222 in the chat box. If what I've said it is making sense, can I have some 222 in the chat box? Some 2222 in the chat box. If what I've explained is making sense, can I have some 22 in the chat box? 222 in the chat box. If the first part which I've explained is making sense, you have gotten what I've said, the two types of trading. Can I have some 222 in the chat box? Very important. Okay, I can see people confirming. This is good. This is good. Okay, so let us proceed now. Let us proceed now. Let us proceed now. So this is the first part of which you need to know as you venture into Forex trading. Okay. So now let us. Okay, let me just connect. Just give me a few minutes. I connect with. Are you able to get me? Are you able to get me? So can you confirm if you are able to get me so that we may proceed? So can we confirm if you are able to get me? Okay, so thank you so much. I can see people are confirming. Okay, so let us now continue from where I've ended. So that is the first part of that you need to know about trading. Now, this is a business just like any other business. So for you to do a business, it is very important that you get to understand what is the requirement, what is needed for me to do that business. So this is what you need to know as a trader. If you want to enter into Forex business, what are some of the things that you need to have? So one of the things that you need to have as a Forex trader, it is the skill. So you need to have the skill because you must learn about trading. You need to have the skill. So you need the knowledge. You need to look for someone who need to train you about Forex trading. Okay? So no wonder the FX Academy is there for you so that we may train you on how to trade. So you must have a skill. Okay? A skill. If you want to become a doctor, you must have a skill. No wonder people, they'll go to college, they'll study for 7 years to become a doctor. Okay? So that once you learn, then you'll be able to operate on people. You'll be able to know which drug or which medicine should you give this particular person, depending on the types of diseases. Okay, if someone has got a problem with liver, you need to know which medicine is good for liver. What has caused the heart attack? So it also applies with Forex business. For you to enter into this business called Forex, it is a skill. So you must have the skill. You need to learn about trading. Number two, what is needed? It is capital. Being a business, you need capital. It is a capital that will make you you'll be trading using your capital. So you must prepare capital as you enter into this business. Now, being an online, since we'll be dealing with online, you need a phone, not just any phone, but a smartphone, which can give you access to internet. Okay. So apart from a phone, you must have a laptop. Okay. You also need internet. Okay. You need internet. Because without internet, you can't be able to trade, okay? So you need also to have data, okay? Data bundle. So you must have these. So if on data bundle, in fact, you can even use Wi-Fi, okay? Let us move to another point. Now, how do you work as a Forex trader? Now, if you enter into this business, how do you work? Now, the good part of Forex trading is that you can work anywhere. You can be in a normal business. I mean, you can be working, you can still be trading. You can be doing your other businesses, you can still be trading. So you can work anywhere as long as there's access to internet. Even in the toilet, you can still trade as long as you have access to internet. You do not need to lend the office or press for you to trade. Okay? You do not need, even at your home press, you can do that. So that is a good part of this business. Okay? So you do not need the school certificate for you to trade. All you need is just a skill. Once you are taught, then you can begin to trade in this business. So it is very easy and smart way of doing business. So let us go further. How much trading capital do you need? So the good part of Forex, you can trade as low as the $10. So $10 in Zambian kwacha, it can be 200 kwacha. Sometimes it can be 210, depending if the dollar rate. So for those who are not in Zambia, I don't know the currency, the $10 in your currency. So you can see it is very cheap, very affordable. You can start with a $10 and you can make good profit if you learn how to trade. Okay, I've been sending you some. I've been showing you how I've been growing a small account. I was showing you that it is possible to trade with a $10. Just from a $10, I was able to make $300. $300 just from a $10. So you see that just through a trading dollar of as low as $10 with a skill, you can make a crazy profit. But it is important that you start with it is important that you start with big capital to enjoy trading. You need, because it is normal business, so you need to treat it as business. So if you want to make profit in any business, you automatically look for big capital. So even in Forex, it is better you start with big capital, at least $1,000. But if you can't afford, you can start with any amount, starting from $10 and above. But I recommend at least start with $100. Okay, $100. But as time goes by, those who have capital start with big amounts so that you enjoy trading. Where do you trade Forex? You trade Forex using a broker, a Forex broker. So brokers, these are companies who comes in between a trader and the market. So these are brokers that you have. They will give you access to the market. They will provide you with a trading account where you create a trading account free of charge. Just like network providers. If I want to call someone, I cannot reach someone without passing through network provider. So that is how this broker act in the Forex market. Just like the way bank is. If I want to send money to another person, I need a broker, which is a bank. So those are Forex brokers. They also help traders to connect to the market. So this is brokers. So that is how you trade. You use a broker. We move. How long does it take to make profit? It depends. You can make profit in seconds. You can make profit in minutes. You can make profit in days. You can make profit in weeks. You can make profit in months. There are different kind of traders. We have scalpers. Those who just enter within minutes, they make profit. There are those who are holding the whole day. There are those who are holding the whole week. There are those who are holding the whole month. There are all those who are holding the whole year. So it depends with which category you want to involve. So you can make dollars in minutes, seconds, weeks, days, hours. So it is up to you which one you want to go for. Now, can you lose money in Forex? You can lose money, yes. It is a business. Any business, you can lose money. So with Forex, you can be doing business of selling tomatoes. You can still make loss. Tomatoes, sometimes they can get lotted. You can be doing business of selling eggs. They can be broken or get rotten. So just like any other business where people make a loss, even in Forex, you may lose money. No wonder you need to learn so that you may make more profit than you lose. So you are not yet in heaven where you don't make a loss. You are here on earth, and business that you may do, you may lose. So applies to Forex. Yes, you can lose. So if anyone will tell you to say, no, you will never make a loss, then that is not Forex. Okay? Maybe it is a Nigerian movie. So let us continue. Now, how do you receive your profit? So you may receive your profit. Once you trade, you make profit. You may receive profit through bank or through mobile money or Bitcoin and any other payment method. So can I have some 5? If you are enjoying, you are following what I'm saying. Can I have some 5? If you are enjoying what I'm saying so far, if you are able to follow me, can I have some 5 in the chat box? 5 in the chat box. If you are enjoying, if time allows us, we will look at the second part of part 2 of introduction to Forex. So can I have some 5 in the chat box? Someone is saying I'm unable to see the screen. It is your network. The screen, it is just there. It is your network. So let us make sure that we buy Wi-Fi. It helps with the internet or with a network connection. Because your normal network, you are using a lot of data. You are using data for Facebook. You are using data for WhatsApp. You are using data, a lot of data. So make sure that you should be using Wi-Fi. So let us continue now. So how do you receive money? How do you receive profit? I've talked about how you receive profit. Let us continue. Now, how do you fund your account? If you want to trade, how do you fund your account? You can fund your account using bank. If you don't have a bank account, you can fund using mobile money. Okay, you can fund using Bitcoin and other payment methods. So brokers, they have those different kind of payment methods. Okay. So now, this is the first part of trading. So if you want to become a trader, these are some of the things that you need to do. So Forex is a business that it is a smart business. If you are looking for a smart business, it is jump into Forex. You can be working at the same time on your spare time, just 30 minutes, you can trade and make profit. You can become a part-time trader or you can become a full-time trader. Myself, I'm a full-time trader. I depend on Forex. This is what feeds me. So you can become a full-time trader or you can become a part-time trader. So a full-time trader simply means you depend on Forex. To pay your bills, you depend on trading. That simply means a full-time trader. But a part-time trader, you can be working at the same time, you are also trading. So this is the first part of Forex trading. So let us go to another part. Trading. Okay. Let us go to another part of trading. So let us go to another part of trading. By 21 hours, we need to end. So let us go to another part. So that was the first part of Forex trade, introduction to Forex trading. What you need to know to prepare as you enter into Forex trading. Okay, so now let us go to the part two of introduction to Forex trading. Okay, part 2 of introduction to Forex trading. Let us go to there. Okay. So now let us go there now. So now, what we are going to discuss is what we are going to discuss on the part 2 of Forex trading. These are some things that we are going to discuss. Okay. These are some things that we are going to discuss. These are some things that we are going to discuss. Number one, we're going to look at what is Forex. Although I've talked about Forex in the first part, we are also going to look at what is trading traded on Forex, who is a Forex broker. I've talked about that, a little bit of it, trading times and trading section. Then the language used in Forex. Okay, so let us continue. Now, what is Forex? So Forex is just foreign exchange. So it is one of the it is the biggest business in the entire world, where $6.6 trillion are being traded. Just like any normal market, the Forex market has got buyers and sellers. So now let us continue. So that is the first part that we need to understand about Forex. Now, what is traded on Forex? So in the Forex market, we have the following things that we trade. Number one, we have what we call currency pairs. Okay, currency pairs. Okay, these are things that are being traded. Currency pairs. You hear this dollar. It is trading with this dollar with this pair. We'll be talking about that very soon. So currency pairs are being traded. Okay, kwacha to dollar or dollar to pounds. Okay, dollar to euro, euro to dollar. All these are what we call currency pairs. We also have futures. Okay, so these are some things which are traded. Even Facebook, it is being traded. You are using Facebook, but you can still trade that pair. People are watching Netflix. People are watching, but it is still a product. On Forex, you can trade that product. Stocks, these are traded. Apple phone, these are also traded. Okay, commodities. Okay, these are also traded on Forex. Commodities, you can talk about oil, you can talk about diesel. All these are traded on Forex. Okay, a lot of things that you can think about are being traded on Forex. Okay, indices. Okay, so these are things which are being traded on Forex. So it is a bulk, it is a market which has got a lot of things. Now let us move to the language which is used in Forex. Just like any business, they have got their own language. When you go to the doctors, they have got their own language. Okay, they have their own language, which only those who are into that institution, they will be able to understand what they are talking about. Panadol, when they say Panadol, they will know what Panadol is. Okay, so they have got their own language. Okay, now when it comes to Forex business, when you go to agriculture, they have got their own language. You hear about irrigation, all those, it is in the category of, it is the language of agriculture. Okay, so crop production. Okay, so all those. So when it comes to Forex trading, when it comes to Forex trading, someone saying the voice is bad. Someone to confirm how is the audio? How is the audio? Someone to confirm how is the audio? How is the audio? Someone saying it's sounding like a robot. Loud and clear. I'm sure my reader, it could be network. So now, today I'll end on this point. Okay. Then as time allows, we'll continue. So I'll just look at this point. Now, in the Forex market, you hear, in this industry, you hear languages like bullish market. You hear someone say, this market, it is bullish. What does it mean? A bullish market, it is a market that is going upwards. So when we're talking about market, when you hear about market, you don't be shocked. So the other name of a market, it is a price. So when you hear people are saying, today there is market, all they are saying is today there is profit, or today there is business. So when you say, today there was business, today there was market, they are simply saying they made the profit. Okay? So when we are talking about the bullish market, we are simply saying the market
or bullish price, or the market or the price which is going upwards. So bullish market, it is the price or the market which is going upwards. So the word bullish, it was taken from the word bull, a bull, a ngombe, for those who are in Zambia, a cow. So when bulls are fighting, how do they fight? They'll hit you up with their horns and they'll throw you up. So when it comes to the market, there are two players in the market. We have buyers and sellers. So there is a competition between buyers and sellers, tug of war. Tug of war, they push each other. Who is going to take over? Who is going to win? So now, when buyers are taking control in the market, it simply means that market is known as a bullish market. It simply means buyers are in control. The other language, we call it an uptrend, or a market which is going up, or an up market, or an upward market. So if you have gotten the point of bullish market, can I have some 777 in the chat box if you have understood what a bullish market means, so that when you hear someone say the market, this market, it is bullish, you need to understand what it means. Can I have some 77777 if you have understood? Next time, don't think as if we are speaking in Chinese or we are speaking in the language that you can't understand. So when you hear about bullish market, this is what it means, okay? So even if you are in China, you are in America, you are in Kenya, you are in Africa, you need to understand this language. A bullish market, it is a market that is going upwards. Can I have some 77777 if you have gotten what I've said? 7777. I can see Grace confirming there. Powerful. Let us go to another point. Bearish market. A bearish market, it is a market which is going downwards. So a bearish market, it is a market which is going downwards. The word bearish, it was taken from the word bear. So bear, it is a representation of sellers. So sellers, when they are fighting, it was taken from a bear. When the bear is fighting, it will stand up and it will lift up the hands and it will hit you on the head and it will crush you down. So sellers, these are traders who pushes the market down. They will cause the price to drop. So when sellers are in control, the market, it is known as the bearish market. So these are traders who pushes the market downwards. So in another way, you hear a downtrend. A downtrend is just the same as the bearish market. An uptrend is just the same as the bullish market. If you have understood what a bearish market means, can I have some 888 in the chat box if you have understood what a bearish market means? It simply means sellers are in control, sellers are in control, sellers are in control. Sellers are in control. If the market is known as a bearish, it simply means sellers are in control. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now when you hear someone says, I want to go short in the market, I want to go short in the market, all they are simply saying is they want to sell. If you are taking signals, sometimes I may tell you to say, go short. What I'm simply saying, press a sell, press a sell, press a sell. When I say go short, I'm simply saying go press a sell. So you need to understand the language. When I say go long, it simply means I'm saying buy. I'm saying buy. So these are some of the language that is used in Forex trading. So this is where we end for today. This is where we end for today. We need to end by 21 hours, so I'll allow some questions. So if you have gotten, you have enjoyed what we have learned so far, can I have some fire in the chat box? Can I have some fire in the chat box? So your presenter, your mentor, for those who don't know me, my name is Lee Mashebe. I will be the one that will be taking you in all the courses, starting from beginners until the advanced course. So in this course, this is where we end. This is where we end. Let us meet again in the next course. So this is where we end. This meeting has been recorded So I'll share so that you may go through it. So this is where we end with this course.